Hi guys, this is Fluke, and I recently got asked a question on Outlook. How do I highlight messages specifically sent to me? So this is done fairly easily. What you can do is once you've got Outlook open, you click on the view. Underneath the view, you're going to see a current view. So that all depends on the version of Outlook you're running, but you should see something that says current view. Click the little drop down there, and you're going to see view settings. If you click on view settings, the advanced view settings will open up for you. And from there, you can look for something called conditional formatting. So on mine, that's the third one from the bottom. If you click on that, you're going to see there's quite a bit of rules already set up in there. So all this rules does basically is it says, if a message comes in and it falls under this condition, do that. That's it. If this, then that. So you can go through each one of those rules, see what all of them does. These ones can't be edited. All you can do really is untick it to activate it or deactivate it. But for this purposes, we can say add, and then we're going to choose a name that is specific to what we want to get done. So for instance, in this, we're going to say to, and we're going to use the email address that we want to say it's going to come to. The font is how it's going to look. So I'm going to do something drastic. I'm going to say show card Gothic, bold, bigger, and I'm going to make it red. And I'm going to say OK, and in the condition there's various options. So the option we're looking for is the one that says where I am and the only person in the to line. I'm going to click OK and OK and OK, and as you can see, I am in all of them because this is a personal account. This isn't a corporate account where you can be part of 1,000 groups. So what we'll do now, just as an example, is let's take this one from Google. I'm going to copy this email address. Copy. I'm going to go to the same place, current view, view settings, conditional format, and then I'm going to just change this one, and I'm going to say it's going to come from Google. The fonts and everything I'm going to leave as is, and the condition I'm just going to untick that one and paste in it's going to come from Google. Okay, okay, and okay, and as you can see, all my other mail is still the normal blue, and everything from Google is nice and red. A nice and red security alert to say, hey, something's happened on your account. So you can do this in various stuff, just playing around with the conditional formatting. Just remember that if a email falls into multiple conditions, it might have multiple stuff happening to it. So sometimes you'll see that the condition you set up or the font you set up doesn't look exactly the same. It's probably because that mail falls into multiple conditions that is relevant to it. So try and keep it to very basic, very minimum, really stuff that you need to know about. The other stuff, try and use rules. Rules does work much nicer for me, but this is very nice as well because you can immediately see there's something that I need to action. So guys, again, if you've liked this video and it was useful to you, click subscribe, click like and share it, and ask me a question. If there's something I can help you with, as you can see, I will quickly create the content for you guys, and you can always come back and have a look on how it's done. I've got the YouTube. You can just go on there, ask a question. On Facebook, I post regularly. If there's anything I can help with, I will respond on Facebook Messenger or something like that. And then if you don't have access to any one of the two, I've got the blog. Everything I do, you'll see on there as well, just in a more written format. Thank you.